Ok, vamos a la ruta de... ¿Cómo se llama? Palmoso. Del Palmoso.
I don't believe in destiny, I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me, you ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go.
Y vamos pues a la ruta para Aurelio, Kiki Preciado, mi compa Lino allá en la punta del pelotón. Vamos pues con rumbo al salto que se encuentra acá por el Palmoso. Es una ruta corta, en sí no está muy lejos, pero algo de ejercicio es bueno. A ver si trae pila aquí. Vamos a ver si como ronca duerme.
I've been through some injuries, mentally and physically. Studied them religiously, so I don't repeat history. And people won't admit to me, they don't want a victory. Bad enough to get a C, they'd rather just go leave it be. And this journey I've been on since 13, working hard and learning, never stopping searching, yeah, it's burning, all this passion hurts me, I took action working, writing down these words. No, I'm not okay, I just wanna be something, I don't wanna be nothing, living all alone. No, I'm not alright, I'm just barely getting by, but I'll tell you I'm just fine, so you leave me alone. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left, and I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret, cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no.
Como ven, esta ruta está divertida. Está muy bien esta ruta. Cruzamos arroyos. Ahorita vamos a subir un poco del cerro.
Yo, yeah, I'm like El Chapo, heavy artillery, hand grenades and pipe bombs. Yeah, fuck y'all motherfuckers, all you gotta do is leave us hoodies, gems. Yeah, nightly, M-A-N-O-U-E-G.
Vamos a esperar a las muchachas que se quedaron atrás. Allá vienen, dando la vuelta.
Yo, I'm reppin', I'm trying to listen to ya. Finally someone to clap for this toxic.
En lo que tomamos un poco de agua, hace falta. Mi compa Lino, compa Aurelio.
Hope that he saved the place in heaven, saying that Beach from birthplace, you can't race dudes. It's stuck like tree stems.
Sí.
In the same place. You number one stunner, we gon' get glad, girl. I'll do everything I can prove. I'm a better man these days.
¡Ah! Dios madre. Me metí. Sí. Está pelada. Está muy resbaloso.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated. But that only makes it better, and it's got me so...
Es la subida hacia el salto de acá el Palmoso. Es como una cascada. Kiki subió muy maldito, pero ahí está, ya está muriendo. Yo también. Bueno, pero llegué. No, a mí se me resbaló la bici. Ya no la pude arrancar. Mi compa agarrar ya desde allá. Ya bien, mi compadre ya bien derrotado. Esa subidita sí sudé para que veas. Hay que meternos. Vámonos a vamos a agarrar ahorita una bajada pronunciada. Nos vemos allá abajo. A ver si no hasta abajo, Hagan las nalgas para atrás, muchachos.
Treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, 'cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah, they say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Where she came from, nobody really knows. They say she looks young, but say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. And all the boys say she was sent from the heavens, but I'm not too sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes and they'll cut you like a weapon. She's stuck in my mind like a bad obsession. Got bad intentions. She's got a body like a coffin. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a coffin. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me.
Vean la majestuosidad de aquí de este lugar, la cascada del Palmoso. Este lugar nada más cada año en temporadas de lluvia se forma esta cascada.
I don't believe in destiny, I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me. You ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know. Better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I physically study them religiously, so I don't repeat history. And people won't admit to me they don't want a victory bad enough to get a C. They'd rather just go leave it be. I know this journey I've been on since 13, working hard and learning, never stopping searching. Yeah, it's burning, all this passion hurts me. I took action working, writing down these words.
No, I'm not okay, I just wanna be something. I don't wanna be nothing, living all alone. No, I'm not alright, I'm just barely getting by. But I'll tell you I'm just fine, so you leave me alone. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left, and I'm not quite there yet.
Verán, si quieren venir acá a la cascada, está muy tranquilo el camino, no te asoleas nada. Míralo, míralo, quita la rama.